I'll be guiding you guys on how to use American Express gift card online. So let's get started. Now, here are some ways where you can use your Amex gift card. So the first one is general online shopping. You can find merchants that accept American Express gift card. You can look for online retailers that display the Amex logo at checkout or explicitly state that they accept Amex gift cards. Popular options include Amazon, eBay, major clothing stores, and many smaller businesses. And the second step is to enter your card details. During checkout, select credit or debit card as your payment method. Do not click on the gift card option. Fill in the card number, expiration date, and security code from your Amex gift card. Then is the billing address. Some websites might require a billing address, so use the address associated with the merchant where you purchased the gift card, even if it differs from your shipping address. So that is it. Now let's go ahead and look at the additional options. Digital wallets. If your Amex gift card has the capability, consider adding it to a digital wallet like Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay. This allows easier checkout on participating websites and apps. Prepaid gift cards. Use your Amex gift card to purchase prepaid gift cards from popular brands like Visa, MasterCard, or specific retailers like Amazon or Google Play. Then use these prepaid directly for online purchases. Peer-to-peer payment. If you trust the recipient, consider setting the remaining balance on your Amex gift card using a peer-to-peer payment service like Venmo or Zelle. However, be aware of any fees associated with such transactions. Important reminders. Gift cards, terms and conditions. Before you use your Amex gift card online, verify its terms and conditions to ensure it allows online purchases. Some cards might have restriction on specific categories or merchant types. Transaction fees. Check if the online merchant charges any processing fees for using the gift card. Balance and expiration. Keep track of your remaining balance and the expiration date of your Amex gift card to avoid declined transactions. So, alright, guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.